This is Chante Blackwood. She is a general contractor.
A general contractor really takes the role of overseeing a project from start to finish, ensuring that that project meets budget, stays within timeline, and meets the expectations and needs of the client. My job is to find out the client's needs, what they want for a functional space. I then move on to sourcing material, which we call the procurement phase, and we put together selections for clients to choose from based on their liking. And then we just get started right into doing the job. So it entails overseeing the tiling, overseeing the plumbing, overseeing the electrical, and combining all those elements for a pretty detailed finished product.
The University of Technology graduate is first of 2 children for her mom, a first-hand gift in learning to lead. She was able to prove this during her internship and was tasked with designing and retaining a wall for the breakaway in Gardentown in 2016.
I was able to give back to my country and assist the persons who venture in the area for their daily lives. And I was able to share my achievements, which, blew up and gave me many different opportunities.
8 short years later, and things are only getting better.
My journey has been pretty exciting, and with that, I was able to take the leap of faith to start my own construction company.
The blueprint was laid early, as Chante confesses that as a child, she would use her books to set up floor plans. The young artist was set on designing buildings. Whether it be civil engineers or general contractors, the field is predominantly male-driven, so we had to find out what made Chante want to go this route.
Well, the journey for me started at an early age with the interest of being an architect at first. Growing up, after I did my architecture degree, I fell in love with construction more, and then I branched off to doing civil engineering, which is the big boy. So from that, the civil engineering gives me a role with doing everything. It stemmed from a passion, the passion for construction, the passion for problem solving. So that really aided in the decision to becoming a general contractor.
She admits that there are challenges and credits a great team with getting the job done.
Each project has its own unique challenges, set of challenges. And I think the biggest thing is having a team that's capable of getting the job done and having a background of problem solving, which will help you to overcome those challenges. Some which would be client making last minute changes, which will then affect your project timeline, or a simple lack of material when you're sourcing. So overcoming those challenges really stems from just having the experience and the capability to take care of them.
And that's where one's people skill comes in, another attribute Chante says a general contractor should have.
I think the major challenge with construction on a whole is the people management, and having clients like those, it's really exercise patience. I mean, the end goal is to really give them what they want, so you would have to kind of guide them or to let them know that, hey, this can't work or this can work, and they too trust in you that you can do the job, so it helps as well.
Another thing that makes it easier is the tremendous support from her male peers.
They've been pretty helpful as well. In fact, a lot of them consult with me on certain little projects or ask me to partner with them on projects because I really have an eye for detail. So I pretty much help everybody around me. And I do have a good relationship with suppliers and other contractors and persons within the field.
And her family is all proud of her work and the journey she's on.
They've been pretty supportive of my journey and very happy for me as well. They do look out for me and do push me to the next level.
No matter what you want to be, you can achieve it. You may have heard it before, but it bears repeating. The world is yours. You can do anything that you want. You need only believe. Chante?
My advice to somebody who wants to venture into construction or engineering is that you should be open to always to be willing to learn more. learn new skills, refine the skills that you already have, network, and to embrace the challenges as they come. My experience in the field has been a really good one. It's pretty rewarding, and I think me having the ability and the uniqueness to get things done really aided in me getting where I am now.